Now we are coming to question number 12. Exercise 9.1. Exercise number 8, 9.1. From the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree and the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. Find the height of the tower. So there is a building and tower. Is there one building? The building is 7 meter high and we don't know the height of the tower. Right. From the top of the 7 meter high building, this is a building. The building is 7 meter high. From the top, this is the top of the building. From the top of the building, you are watching the angle of elevation of the top of the tower. You are watching the angle of elevation of the top of the tower. It is found to be 60 degree. Is a horizontal line, a line which is parallel to the earth. From here, the observer standing here is looking at top of the building, top of the cable tower. It is found to be 60 degree. The angle is found to be 60 degree. Again, he watches the listener and the angle of depression of its foot. Foot is the foot of the tower. He is watching the foot of the tower. The angle of depression is found to be 30 degree or 45 degrees given. Okay. Now, what is the height of the cable tower? The height of the cable tower is required. How much height is one? You have to find out. Okay, is a building. We can take. You just give the name A, B, C, D, and E. So AB is the height of the building, and C is the height of the cable tower. From the top of the building, a person observes the top of the cable tower, which is the angle of elevation 60 degree. From here, he is watching the base of the cable, on the foot of the cable tower. The angle of depression is 45 degree. If the angle is 45 degree, this is a depression, angle of depression, because that is the observing point is below the observer, because the eye of the observer, right? Okay, these two angles are equal. It is 45 degree. This must be also become 45 degree. The reason is that alternative angles are equal. When two lines are parallel, if it is a transversal, these two are called into alternative angles. So the two alternative angles are equal. So it is 45. It must be 45 degree. Okay. Let's come to find the CD value. AB equal to 7 meter. So CD will be also become 7 meter. The reason is that ABCD is a rectangle. So opposite of the rectangle are equal. Okay. Let's find out now. CD value. D value. Right. One by one. Let CE be the height of the cable tower. Height of the tower. See the height of the tower. Okay, in right triangle, this is a right angle. Okay, B is a right angle. In right triangle ABC. In right triangle ABC. Angle B equal to 90 degree. So this 90 degree is a hypotenuse. So as per the angle 45 degree is a base, is a perpendicular. Perpendicular and base we can compare that and get the value this one. So AB by BC, perpendicular to the base, is become tan. The angle is, because we know perpendicular to the base equal to tan A or tan C. Okay, now you can see now. So mid tan, you can take tan. The angle is become 45 degree. Tan 45 equal to AB by AB is perpendicular and BC is the base. BC is the base. So tan 45 value we know 1. AB we know 7 meter and BC we don't know. Just find the BC value. So BC into 1 is equal to BC. BC equal to 7 meter. You'll be getting the first result. It is 7 meter. It must be 7 meter. Let's go further. If it is BC 7 meter, so what is AD? Now for AD equal to BC equal to 7 meter. Since BC and AD are, we can say the opposite side of the rectangle, right, is becoming 7 meter. So we got the AD 7 meter. The triangle ADE is the right angle here. See now, in triangle ADE, in right triangle ADE, so angle D is equal to 90 degree. This is D. Actually, angle AD is 90 degree. Therefore, we can find the ED value. So ED is a perpendicular. According to this angle 60, it is a base. AD is the base, and ED is a perpendicular. So perpendicular base equal tan. Tan 60 degree is equal to tan 60 perpendicular and DE and base AD. Okay, tan 60 value we know. What is tan 60? Tan 60 is become root 3. See that? Tan 60 degrees is root 3. And DE value we don't know. So, but AD value we got it. AD equal to 7 meter. So, from here we can get the DE value. Here no number means 1. DE into 1 is equal to DE. Root 3 into 7 is become 7 root 3 meter. So, we got the DE value. So, we want the CE value 1. Because actually C is the height of the tower. The height of the tower is equal to height of the tower. That is equal to CE. What is CE? Now, C equal to CD plus DE. CD plus DE. So, now, it is CE. C equal to CD plus DE. Right? Two part of the C has two parts. CD plus DE add together. So, CD value we know. Yes. The CD is become 7 meter because and BC or C. Okay, it's not written, but C equals to 7 meter. Plus D. The D we got it 7 root 3 meter. We can take 7 is common. The both are in 7 is common. So 1 plus root 3 meter. So we can write as 7 into root 3 plus 1 can be written. 1 plus root 3 or root 3 plus 1 is same. So we'll be getting the answer. The height of the tower equal to 7 into root 3 plus 1 meter. I hope you understand. We'll go to question number 13.